Holidays may be coming to an end, but there's still plenty to celebrate. Backed by America's best warranty and ranked #1 in customer loyalty, you'll get everything you need to start the new year off right. Now during Hyundai holidays. Hurry in for our best deals, like 0% APR for 72 months on the 2013 Elantra.
If you have moderate to severe rheumatoid arthritis like me, and you're talking to your rheumatologist about trying or adding a biologic, this is Humira. This is Humira working to help relieve my pain. This is Humira helping me through the twists and turns. This is Humira helping me prevent joints from further damage. Doctors have been prescribing Humira for 10 years. Humira works by targeting and helping to block the source of inflammation that contributes to RA symptoms. For many adults, Humira is proven to help relieve pain and stop further joint damage.
Humira can lower the ability to fight infections, including tuberculosis. Serious, sometimes fatal, infectious infections, lymphoma, or other types of cancer have happened.